Are you fed up with puffy legs and ankles? Vitamin B6 can help reduce that swelling. Let's find out how. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a key player in reducing leg and ankle swelling. How? It acts as a natural diuretic, helping your body get rid of excess fluid and sodium, which are main culprits behind swelling. Let's talk benefits. Vitamin B6 regulates fluid balance, reduces inflammation, and even helps with hormonal fluctuations that cause edema, especially for women. Think PMS-related bloating or pregnancy swelling, vitamin B6 has got your back. So, how much do you need? The recommended daily intake is around 1.3 to 2 milligrams for most adults. You can get it from foods like chicken, fish, potatoes, and bananas, or through supplements. For best results, pair it with lifestyle changes like reducing salt intake, staying active, and elevating your legs. Vitamin B6 could be the simple solution to those pesky swollen legs and ankles. Ready to give it a try?